अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय?
Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do?
Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu Pandavanīkam vyūಢam Duryodhanastada ācāryamupasangamya Raja vachanam abravīt.
Sanjaya said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words.
Pasyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Yudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharataha.
Here in this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjuna, great fighters like Yuyudhanu, Virata and Drupada.
Drishtaketuschekitanaha Kashi Rajascha Viryavan Purujit Kunti Bhojascha Shaibascha Narapungavaha.
There are also great, heroic, powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Chikitana, Kashiraja, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja and Shaibya.
Yudhamanyuscha Vikrantaha Uttamaujascha Viryavan Saubhadro Draupadeyascha Sarva eva Maharataha.
There is the mighty Yudhamanyu, the very powerful Uttamauja, the son of Subhadra and the sons of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters.
Asmakam tu vishishtaye tani bhojaj vidottama nayaka mama sainyasya sanyartham tan bravimite.
But for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are specially qualified to lead my military force.
Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayah Ashwathama Vikarnascha Saumadattiktathaivacha.
There are personalities like you, Bhishma, Karna, Krupa, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishrava, who are always victorious in battle.
Anye cha bahava shuraha madarte tyakta jivitaha nana shastra praharanaha sarve yuddha visharadaha.
There are many other heroes who are prepared to lay down their lives for my sake. All of the men are well equipped with different kinds of weapons and all are experienced in military science.
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्.
Our strength is immeasurable, and we are perfectly protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas the strength of the Pandavas, carefully protected by Bhima, is very limited.
अयनेचुष सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्ष्यन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि.
All of you must now give full support to grandfather Bhishma as you stand at your respective strategic points of entrance into the phalanx of our army.
तस्य सञ्जनयं हर्षं कुरु वृद्धपितामहः सिंहनादं विनोद्योच्चै शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्.
Then Bhishma, the great valiant grandsire of Kuru dynasty, the grandfather of the fighters, blew his conch shell very loudly, making a sound like the roar of a lion, giving Duryodhana joy.
तथ शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्य अन्यन्ता सशब्दस्तुमुलोऽभवत्.
After that, the conch shells, drums, bugles, trumpets, and horns were all suddenly sounded, and the combined sound was tumultuous.
ततः श्वेतैर्यहैर्युक्ते महति सन्ध्यने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदद्मतुः.
On the other side, both Lord Krishna and Arjuna, stationed on a great chariot drawn by white horses, sounded their transcendental conch shells.
पाञ्चजन्यं ऋषिकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः.
Lord Krishna blew his conch shell called Panchajanya. Arjuna blew his, the Devadatta, and Bhima, the voracious eater and performer of Herculean tasks, blew his terrific conch shell called Poundra.
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहु शङ्कान् दद्मो पृथक् पृथक्.
King Yudhishthira, the son of Kunti, blew his conch shell. The Ananta Vijaya and Nakula and Sahadeva blew the Shughosha and Manipushpaka. The great archer, the king of Kashi, the great fighter Shikhandi, Drishtadyumna, Virata, the unconquerable Satakiya, Drupada, the sons of Draupadi, and others, O king, such as the mighty armed son of Subhadra, all blew their respective conch shells.
सुघोषोदार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि विदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो विनुनादयन्.
The blowing of these different conch shells became uproarious, vibrating both in the sky and on earth, It shattered the hearts of the sons of Dhritarashtra.
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते.
At that time Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seated in the chariot bearing the flag marked with Hanuman, took up his bow and prepared to shoot his arrows. O king, after looking at the sons of Dhritarashtra drawn in military array, Arjuna then spoke to Lord Krishna these words.
Arjuna uvacha सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युता यावदेतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
Arjuna said, O infallible one, please draw my chariot between the two armies so that I may see these present here who desire to fight and with whom I must contend in this great trial of arms.
योत्समानानवेक्षेऽहं ययेतेऽत्र समागता धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः.
Let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra.
Sanjaya uvacha eva mukto ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्.
Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, having thus been addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up the fine chariot in the middle of the armies of both parties.
भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्श्वपश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति.
In the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all the other leaders of the world, the Lord said, Just behold, Partha, all the Kurus assembled here.
Tatra paschai sthitan partah पितॄनथ पितामहः आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा शिशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि.
There Arjuna could see, within the midst of the armies of both parties, his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his father-in-law and well-wishers.
Santamikshasa kaunteya sarvan bandhunavasthitan kripaya paraya vishtaha vishidannidam abravit.
When the son of Kunti, Arjuna, saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with compassion and spoke thus.
Arjuna uvacha dristvemam swajanam Krishna yuyutsam samupastitam sidanti mama gatrani mukhancha parishushati.
Arjuna said, My dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up.
Vepatuscha sharire me romaharshascha jayate गाण्डीवं संश्रते हस्तात् तच्चैव परिदत्यते.
My whole body is trembling, my hair is standing on end, my bow Gandhiva is slipping from my hand, and my skin is burning.
न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि तपश्चामि विपरीतानि केशव.
I am now unable to stand here any longer. I am forgetting myself, and my mind is reeling. I see only causes of misfortune, O Krishna, killer of the Keshi demon.
न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च.
I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsman in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom, or happiness.
किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नः राज्यं भोगासुखानि च तैमावस्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्यास्पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहा मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्राः शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः कापीर्तित्या जनार्दना.
O Govinda, of what avail to us or a kingdom, happiness, or even life itself, with all those for whom we may desire them are now arrayed on this battlefield. O Madhusudana, when teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, father-in-law, grandsons, brother-in-law, and other relatives are ready to give up their lives and properties and are standing before me, why should I wish to kill them, even though they might otherwise kill me? O maintainer of all living entities, I am not prepared to fight with them even in exchange for the three worlds, let alone this earth. What pleasure will we derive from killing the sons of Dhritarashtra?
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतान् ततायिनः तस्मान्नार्हया वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्यान माधव.
Sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressors. Therefore, it is not proper for us to kill the sons of Dhritarashtra and our friends. What should we gain, O Krishna, husband of the goddess of fortune, and how could we be happy by killing our own kinsman?
यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं कथम् अज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान् निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यब्धिर्जनार्दन.
O Janardana, although these men, their hearts filled by greed, see no fault in killing one's family and quarreling with friends, why should we, who can see the crime in destroying a family, engage in these acts of sin.
Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharme naste kulam krishnam adharmo bhavatyuta.
With the destruction of dynasty, the eternal family tradition is vanquished, and thus the rest of the family becomes involved in irreligion.
Adharma vibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dustarshu varshneya jayate varna sankaraha.
When irreligion is prominent in the family, O Krishna, the women of the family become polluted, and from the degradation of womanhood, O descendant of Vrishni, comes unwanted progeny.
Sankaro narakayeva kulajnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro chesha lupta pindodaka kriyaha.
An increase of unwanted population certainly causes hellish life both for the family and for those who destroy the family tradition. The ancestors of such corrupt families fall down because the performance for offering them food and water are entirely stopped.
Doshairitair kulagnanam varna sankarakarakaihi utsadyante jati dharmaha kuladharmascha shashvataha.
By the evil deeds of those who destroy the family tradition and thus give rise to unwanted children, all kinds of community projects and family welfare activities are devastated.
Utsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam janardhana narake niyatam vasaha bhavatityanu.
O Krishna, maintainer of the people, I have heard by disciplic succession that those who destroy family traditions dwell always in hell.
Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobena hantum swajana mudhyataha.
Alas, how strange is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts. Driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness, we are intent on killing our own family and relatives.
Yadi mama pratikaram ashastram shastrapanayah datarasrarane hanyu tanme kshemataram bhave.
Better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra, weapons in hand, were to kill me unarmed and unresisting on the battlefield.
Sanjaya uvacha eva muktarjuna sankhe rathopasta upavishat visrujya shasharam chapam shoka samvigna manasaha.
Sanjaya said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief.
Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Pratamodhyayaha.